Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of KringleHeaven.com. So this is basically an online shopping platform that provides you with a wide variety of different items that are for decorations. So the product that we're going to review today is 6 feet artificial cedar garlands. So see, this cedar garlands is basically has a worth of $15 on their platform, and they're providing an insane discount of 47% off. So this is a bit concerning thing. Why would they give that much discount? Another thing that is concerning is there another marketing tactic that people usually use for the scams, which is like they have a very limited stock. They're saying like only 8 units left in stock. So this is also a scamming tactic. And another concerning thing about this is like they are providing the reviews, which is like 4.9 rating, and it is based on 171 reviews. But once I tried to click on it, I got to know about a lot of reviews, but there isn't any other information about the reviewer. So this is a concerning thing. We cannot trust because these are the reviews that are on their official website. So I tried searching for their domain information. I got to know it was registered very recently on the October 13th. So this is just a few days ago. So this is a major red flag because it is just a new platform. And once I tried searching for the reviews of this platform on Trustpilot, I got to know it has a 3.8 rating, which is good. But there is a here's a catch. It is only based on 2 reviews, which is a major red flag because those 2 reviews can be anyone from their own company. So in conclusion, I would say like this product is pretty much a scam and you should avoid purchasing this item. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this review was helpful for you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.